I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Alita Loresca with your need-to-know weather. Tuesday, an ABC 13 Weather Alert day for the potential of severe thunderstorms, and another round of some street flooding will be possible. Thunderstorms are still likely on Wednesday and potentially could be another watch day. And then we slowly start to see those rain chances lower as we close out the week. So let's talk about today. That severe weather threat will be highest right around southeast Texas, especially in our northern counties. Off to the west is where we have a hatched area, and right now that hatched area means that there is going to be the potential for some larger size hail. A 15% probability that one of these storms within a 25-mile radius will produce some hail. And as I mentioned, that hatched area, that's where the hail could be larger than golf ball size. So we'll be watching that as we continue through the day. Meanwhile, a severe wind threat is also on the table, 15% chance in our inland communities, and we cannot rule out the potential for a brief isolated tornado. Right now, that probability is highest along I-10 and to the north. And where you see that 10% chance of a tornado popping up in one of those thunderstorms, we also have a hatched area. When you see a hatched area in a tornado risk, that basically means that you are in for a potentially strong tornado, a tornado that could exceed wind speeds of over 110 miles per hour. So no doubt the environment will be favorable for some of these stronger to severe thunderstorms to develop as we continue through the day. The severe weather threat does continue on Wednesday, a level 1 out of 5. And looking ahead to the potential for some flooding, right now it's mainly our northern counties that could be dealing with some higher rainfall totals, and in that some flooding concerns. Anywhere between 1 to 3 inches will be most common, but there will be those isolated areas that could pick up anywhere between 4 to 6 inches of rain. So through this evening, those areas where we do pick up those higher amounts, right now it's in our far northern counties and portions of the Brazos Valley. Now that will shift as we get into Wednesday, where it may include some of our coastal communities. A warm front lifting today will be the focus point of some of that heavier rain, and also those strong thunderstorms to form, especially during the afternoon. As that warm front lifts to the north, we become very warm and unstable south of that front. There could be some hailstorms that move through late in the morning during the early part of the afternoon, and then also the potential for some rotation. It does look like during the evening hours, still can't let our guard down, as there could be some strong thunderstorms that still develop. That line of thunderstorms coming in after the sun goes down may play a part in some strong rumbles of thunder. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we await what could be another round of some heavy rain just in time for that Wednesday morning commute. So keep it right here, because we are in for another active couple of days. Temperature readings today: rain cooled into the low 80s with overnight lows dropping into the upper 60s to low 70s. Once we get past Friday, we've got a great looking forecast for you this weekend. We dry out, we cool off. Temperature readings Sunday morning on Mother's Day dip into the upper 50s with highs in the low 80s. And then we are in for another dry stretch of weather as we get into next week. For ABC 13, I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Alita Loresca.